हांव विभा नायक म्हणून कारकळा सुकून हांव MIT मणिपाल तू कंप्युटर सायन्स BTech करता सर.
माझं नाव पवित्रा सांगा.
हांव प्रतीक्षा.
हांव लक्ष्मी मल्ल्या म्हणून हांव श्रीनिवास इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ मेडिकल सायन्स एंड रिसर्च सेंटरान तू थर्ड इयर MBBS शिकतास.
मिगेल नाव भावना पै म्हणून.
मिगेल नाव हेमंत कुडवा म्हणून.
मिगेल नाव प्रगती नायक.
I'm Naumikini.
Roger Michael Pereira.
हांव अनुविता कामत.
मिगेल नाव अपूर्वा कामत.
हांव अक्षता मल्ल्या.
हांव चैतन्य प्रभू.
हॅलो हांव ब्लॉसम टमॅलो.
मिगेल नाव सुधा नायक.
हांव विघ्नेश नायक.
हांव हर्षा.
हांव स्नेहा कामत.
I'm Rajat from Bangalore.
हांव वैष्णव शणे.
My name is Ajit.
मगेल नाव सुब्रमण्य शानबाग.
हांव वासु किशनाथ. मिगेल नाव सुहास मोड.
विश्व कोंकणी स्कॉलरशिप मेळटरी म्हाका क्षमता प्रोग्रामा विशय कळ्ळें.
क्षमता म्हळ्यारी तुमगेल पोटेन्शियल.
Kshamata gave me a perfect platform to build my character. After joining WKC, the best part was the camp.
ते वीकनेस कशी ओवरकम करता म्हणून रियलाइज जाले.
ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी घेवन चॅलेंजेस कशी फेस करयत.
त्या पॉइंटा कशी उलोवका इंग्लिश कम्युनिकेशन स्किल कशी इम्प्रूव करतात.
कशी टीम वर्क लीडरशिप घेता ती.
How to take an opportunity, how to take the initiative, how to take the decisions and much more.
How we need to prepare ourselves for the placements.
नेटवर्क कशी बिल्ड करता म्हणजे ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಭಾರಿ लायक ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಚಿ.
आमकां कशी उलोवका एक 4 जणांले एदुरू आमी कशी आमगेले बिहेवियर कशी आसता.
They've taught me how to face life, how to face challenges, obstacles.
It has given me an excellent opportunity to build my own character.
We learn skills which are essential in our day-to-day competitive life.
I'm a completely different person.
Now I can face the huge audience and speak my mind.
and be a more confident person.
in कळ्ळें मला कॉन्फिडन्स लेवल इज बूस्टेड अप लायक एनीथिंग.
म्हाका क्राउड आन तू फ्रीली उलोवच तसल कॉन्फिडन्स येईल.
Now I have the ability to stand in front of the august audience, undeterred, confident, and I'm fully prepared to face the corporate world.
After attending Kshamta camps, I realized that I am capable.
हांव कोणालो टू मिंगल जानाशिल्लें बट नाव आय लायक टू मिंगल विथ एवरीवन.
I have learned the basic discipline and a basic requirement that each and every individual must know if he or she has to survive in this competitive world.
I have been improving in each camp. हांव आतां 4 जणांले मुखारी एदूर वचून एक चारूतर उलोवका जाल्यारी विश्व कोंकणी केंद्राची कारण.
एवरी कॅम्प यू come to know something new, something unique.
3 years, 6 camps, and 144 hours of life skill training.
Kshamata camps consist of many exciting and fascinating sessions.
प्रति एक कॅम्पान तूं आमकां नवे एक विचारू नवे एक विशय शिकचा मेळटा. I think this is the most powerful tool that WKC has given me.
Here we get to be a part of exciting activities and contribute to a team as a group. It has an excellent team of mentors.
The mentors here pull you out from the comfort zone, make you face the public and eliminate all your fears.
Who guide you and correct your mistakes and show you where you stand.
The team of experts over here are really excellent. They point out in which direction we should go.
Because they are never going to give you the sugar-coated feedbacks. They are going to give you prudent feedbacks about yourself.
ते इव्हॅल्युएशन आमकां प्रति सेशन प्रति कॅम्प आयिल्ले नंतर ते पळयतना आमी कितले डेव्हलप जाला म्हूण आमकां कळटा.
We got opportunities to meet many successful Konkani people and interact with them.
प्रति कॅम्पा वेळारी कोणे कोणे होड नाव पासून फेस टू फेस जाऊन उलोवचाक आमकां एक ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी मेळटा.
I'm happy that I've been able to meet such wonderful people here.
I was motivated by their ideas and I realized there is a long way to go.
एक असल एक इन्स्पिरेशन एक मोटिवेशन विश्व कोंकणी आमकां दिता.
We have a large group of alumni.
They are our very own group of seniors who are guys so approachable.
Who guide us to a right path. They are very friendly and interactive.
तन्नी तंगेले कॉर्पोरेट एक्सपीरियन्स लाइफ लेसन्स आणि तंगेल फेल्युअर्स आमगेलो शेअर करनो द सेम मिस्टेक्स आमी रिपीट करण्याची पळयताची.
It is here that I got a special identity. I have a sense to a great community.
हंग विंगड जागातून आयिल्ले स्टुडंट्स येताची तांगेलोट्टू इंटरॅक्ट करूं ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी मेळटा बट एक फीलिंग येता म्हळ्यार आमी सकट एकची म्हणून.
विश्व कोंकणी इज ऑल अबाउट बाइंडिंग कोंकणी कल्चर टुगेदर.
Speaking various dialects of Konkani.
कोंकणीची इतिहास वाजी संस्कृती.
कोंकणी लिटरेचर
आमगेले कोंकणी भाषेक कोण कोण खंयचे खंयचे फिल्डांचो देण दिला.
हो मिगल कोंकणी कल्चर मस्त रिचेस्ट म्हणून एक फिलिंग येता.
म्हणजे माय भास कोंकणी.
आवय भास ती आमची कोंकणी.
The network of WKC is spread over 59 different colleges across India through us scholars.
And build a long-lasting friendship with the students all across the country.
And you have lot of friends over here.
I met lots of people, made lots of friends.
And I have had something to take back from each and every person.
These are the best of your life.
Your family just grows bigger.
We come to know what is happening in other colleges and what events can we participate in.
सो तांगेल कॉलेजांत कसो नवी चलता आसा आनी आमगेल कॉलेजांत कसो नवी चलता आसा ते शेअर करच्याक आमकां बरें ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी मेळटा आसा.
With a group of friends which I've made in WKC, we go for trippings, we enjoy campfires.
Vishwa Konkani Kendra has not only given me knowledge, guidance from wonderful mentors, but also a bunch of memory to remember for rest of life.
It's also about the joyous moments that you share with your friends.
Where you can, have a lot of fun, a lot of frolic, you make friends.
I have gained wonderful knowledge, wonderful experiences and wonderful memories.
Full of masti, dosti, and we build a lot of memories and make great friendships for lifetime.
The WKC campus is very serene and beautiful.
WKC has a beautiful campus and they provide homely food and a comfortable hostel facility.
And an exceptional training infrastructure, be it the classrooms, the computer lab, the library, or the hostels to name a few.
हांगाचे हॉस्टेल हांगाचे खाण जेवण पुरे घरा म्हणकेची.
एक घरावरी atmosphere हांगा.
We don't feel like we are away from our home.
WKC is my second home.
She is like a mother who takes care of her children and who molds and conditions them to make them wonderful people.
Because it has enriched my life in many ways.
एक भारी खुश येता.
It's amazing here.
WKC is fantastic.
I feel truly inspired.
I feel at home.
Amazing.
Full of energy, enthusiasm.
You have to experience it yourself. I am blessed.
म्हाका मस्त खुश जाता.
A really awesome, really amazing experience for me.
My World Konkani Center.
Welcome home.
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 Welcome home.